You might hear Sebastian in the background. So, right now our life is incredibly busy. I go to work, I come home, my wife goes to work, I stay with the kids, then my wife gets home, she stays with the kids, and I go back to work. But it's a little crazy right now, so I'm actually cooking. Got some mushrooms and some beef, some green beans, fresh green beans. Gonna throw in some jalapenos, tomato, and onion. It's a little bit kind of getting burnt. I don't always know I don't always know what meat is which whenever you take it out of the freezer. So this, I think it's definitely beef. This is chicken. I know that's chicken. But sometimes I don't know, whenever it's in the freezer, I don't always know if it's beef or pork because it's kind of reddish. So I kind of just pick a bag and then throw some seasoning. Today I'm trying something different. Usually I use, for the most part, the same seasoning. Today I tried something different. I don't know how it's going to taste. I threw in some mushrooms in there because Sarai, we were in grocery shopping today and Sarai was like, oh, I want mushrooms, I want mushrooms. And so we're gonna try it out. Got some baby spinach, some kale. May or may not be using tortillas. I don't even know what I'm making. I can cook okay, but to cook every single day is difficult. Coming up with new ideas, so it definitely helps me to kind of give a little bit more appreciation to my wife for having a menu, and appreciation for my mom for always cooking for us and having food ready after working and dealing with the kids. That's hard. Life is hard. So yeah, I'll let you know how it tastes. We'll see.